At times you will feel like an outcast, that you don't fit in, but you will discover that being your own clique will be your strongest attribute. In life, you're going to face many challenges, many moments of adversity. There are going to be a lot of successes and some failures too. Those moments are going to create your character, build your integrity, and they will become your beauty marks.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Mother's Day. For some people around the world, you enjoy your day, so stay tuned and I'm just gonna do a little vlog. Me and my lovely son here. Say happy Mother's Day to my friends and family.
Yeah, and all of us enjoy ourselves from there. Take care.
Well done. I'm back to it again. Happy Mother's Day. It don't really mean Happy Mother's Day to everybody because some people just have babies and give it to people to look after and a full time here. So you understand? It's after the real mothers them will look after them kids and most of them kids good to go. Yes. I'll turn one of them. Video today, I'm just taking a stroll out. It's a lovely Sunday and me and my son and my lovely daughter-in-law just enjoying the little drive out today. Watch big boy, watch daughter-in-law. What? She said, but I understand that girl here. Girl, in the camera with me, you know. You understand? So people congestion charge gone from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. People rain. Thank God. Them did not go on too much, man. Want it, sunny boy? Oh my God. Oh yeah. What's that? Copy motherfucker, right?
Yeah, that's sausage stuff.
Oh.
Couple must catch you. You want to sing too?
Yes, I want to sing. We in a car. Karaoke.
Come on, sing it.
Eh? I'm telling you about that. Need that. See me daughter-in-law run at the back because she not idiot. Oh God.
Speed on.
Speed on where?
On this one road, you know.
Really?
All the time.
Watch.
Oh, like
Hey.
that, yeah?
Me done. Me said the boy is a shutter driver. Woo. Hey,
There you go.
you need to go Jamaica.
Bring me. Oh, somebody buy me a ticket, please. Thank you.
So you want?
Buy me a ticket. First class too. British Airways.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a lovely day out in the UK, in London to say. I'm just driving around and just going about my business. What happened is I dropped Dino at his girlfriend relatives. They're gonna have their Sunday dinner. Yeah. Let me take this key off. It's making too much noise. I don't want a noise in the background. Too much noise, man. Yeah. Too much noise. Yeah. So on we go again. Yes, as I was saying, I just dropped Dino off at his girlfriend's relative. He's gonna have his Sunday dinner with them, and then later he comes back home. Yes, you know, him have to spend some time with him other people them, don't it? Him girlfriend people. It's not all the time the girlfriend are gonna come by week, come by week, come by week. He also have to go by them. Yes, it's a lovely day out. And everybody is just strolling around and enjoying the wonderful Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers across the world that is celebrating Mother's Day today. I hope you all enjoy yourself. Spend lovely time with your friends and family, especially your kids and your loved ones. You know what I mean? And for those that don't have any kids but look after other people's kids, I wish you all also happy Mother's Day. Yes. And big up all of the father them will look after them kids like a mother, cause the mother gonna leave them. Big up on yourself. Respect to you also. Just big up everybody who have kids and I show them kids love. You know what I mean? Cause some people have kids but they don't really know to be a mother. But not talk to them people then. Okay? Shining. Today I come out in my shorts, you know, short sets, go down by the Thames River, make 2 little video for my TikTok, and take some photograph with my son. Yes. So I go out well, things say everything cook and curry. Well, look nice. Sit up myself, have my nice little bag, have my nice little cute outfit. I'm good to go. I'm going to find out a girl not have enough storage. So people, I go down on the Thames River. I go on with myself and I do my video. I'm going to find out say me not have enough storage. So I have to come back home, come finish the video to say goodbye. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. It's a beautiful day. What sunset?